Why? I tell her shawty she the realest. I'm tryna make this shit a movie. You only call me in your feelings. You sick of fucking with a goofy. And I know I ain't the easiest to deal with. All this trauma you might lose me. If I wasn't gon' get it, would you choose me? Ain't no going back to what it used to be. Oh, shawty thought you knew me.
Yeah, I gotta be patient with relationships, but you should know. You should know by now. Heart on my sleeve, don't go breaking it. I'm chasing it, I can't go broke. Lock you down, you can't break no code. When I'm not around, gotta stay low. I'm not the easiest to deal with, but I got you, I'm toxic just a little bit.
Tell her shawty she the realest. Yeah, I'm tryna make this shit a movie. You only call me in your feelings. You sick of fucking with a goofy. And I know I ain't the easiest to deal with. All this trauma you might lose me. If I wasn't gon' get it, would you choose me? Ain't no going back to what it used to be. Oh, shawty thought you knew me.
Hey, bitch. What you doing? You vlogging already? Hey, y'all, follow me at STFU.
Hello guys, vlog is starting right now. What would you like to say to the fans at home?
40 Jack is back.
40 Jack is back, oh yes. How about you, Mr. Fili?
Yes, we are here. About to get this cardio in. Check this trail out. You know, stay tuned. We're about to see some sights that you guys
When
never
it come
seen
to
before.
you, pistol like buzz, issue with trust. Won't let no one get a piece of your love. Yeah, base it on loyalty, base it on us. I ain't the picture perfect type, but I'm making it up. You say you want a bad, flip it, I can't get enough. I'm rich alone, but when I'm with you, I'm bitter as fuck. Forbidden fruit on apple juice, can I sip on the cup? Mix it with some 1942 and I'm hitting you up.